Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Charlie and today I bring to you an unboxing for my birthday. I will turn 30 on October 14, but I decided to get my birthday gift earlier just because of the price increases that usually happen on September. So I went ahead and got it. Yay. And as many of you remember, because I've been saying the same thing for like over a year, I wanted the Alma BB in black epi leather, but when I went to the boutique, the one that they have, it was like crooked on the base, it was a little bit bended, so I decided to pass on it and wait for another that is in good condition. I also requested the Speedy 25 in the mid-event and they did have the bag, but it was also defective and the chaps were a little bit loose on the threads and the stitchings, so even the sales associate told me that he could not sell the bag for me. Then I requested this bag because they never have this bag available, so I was like, well, I will request the bag and maybe they will have it, because this wasn't on my wish list. I never saw myself with this bag just because of the wait list and the unavailability, so I took a chance and scored it. So let's go. Yay! This is the lovely orange box. Oh my god! Yay! I also requested the drawstring dust bag because I think it's easier to keep your stuff nice on these ones. Yay! Comment down below if you know what I choose. Dun, 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 dun. Yay! I just got the Pochette Metis in Monogram, sorry, the Pochette Metis in Monogram. What do you guys think? Oh my god, I love this bag. I never thought that I would own this bag, but the minute I tried it on, I was like, yes. And it comes with the shoulder strap, which I have heard that this one is like super stiff, but mine is extremely soft. As you can see, it's very soft and squishy. It's the softest strap that I own because this one is even softer than my Pochette one from my Speedy. So I think it's good. What sold me on this bag, you guys, when I try it on, it's this. The compartments are amazing. You have a slip pocket on the back, which is really generous. You have a big pocket on the middle, which has the made in tag. Mine is made in Italy. That's another thing that I love because it's my first piece made in Italy. And then you have another pocket on the front. And if that's not enough for you, you have another pocket on the back. And this one is super big. I have the case for my iPhone 8 Plus with a pop socket. And as you can see, it does fit really nice. I love the big zipper pole. And you have the handle, which is Pochette, that says VUITTON Pochette. And you have the S-lock. I love the S-lock, you guys, because as many of you know, the Louis Vuitton is a trunk maker. So the S-lock reminds me of the trunks. So that's something that I really love. I love the logo right there with the circle. I love the Louis Vuitton Paris. I love the flowers on the front. I love that it looks like an envelope. I love like you can hold it like a top handle and you can put on the strap. I'm super happy with this bag. I never thought that I would own it, but it's here, it's mine, it's my birthday gift. What do you guys think? I love it. I love it. It's like 3 pouches on one bag. You can see here the divisions, and it will get big when it's full. Let me know in the comments down below if you recommend a SAMORGA organizer for this bag, because it's already a structured bag, but I just want the SAMORGA organizer because I think it will keep the microfiber lining nicer. Yay. And clean. But let me know in the comments. Also, I still have on my stickers. I will be taking those off on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me. But yes, you guys, what else can I tell you about this beauty? Of course, I'm afraid of all of the horror stories that we've been hearing through the years with all of the defects with this bag, but mine seems to be okay. The varnishing, which is the most concerning thing, it's okay, it's good. The flap, I think it's good. I don't think it's crooked, but when you fill the bag, it's going to take more shape. So that's good to me. It looks good to me. I don't see anything else weird about the bag, but I will keep an eye on it. I will be careful with this one. But yes, I love the top handle. I cannot wait to put a twilly on here to make it fun. Let me show you how it's going to look on me. How it's going to look on me. Sorry about my Sofia Vergara English. Yay. I just think it's perfect. I think it's a perfect bag because it's very casual, but at the same time it's very dressy. So it's the perfect match, the perfect balance between classy and everyday casual. That's the word. So yeah, you guys, that's my new bag. I love the 3 compartments. Let me know on the comments down below if you want to see a review, another review, in case you weren't tired of watching 100 and 1,000 reviews on the Pochette Metis. Also, let me know if you want to see what fits inside, what I will fit inside my bag. And yay, please let me know on the comments what do you think about this beauty, and make sure you are subscribed to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and see you on my next video. Bye.